legs inside the opera box at all times. And please watch your children.
Welcome, fellow ushers. Remember, all the world's a stage.
Are you ready to be an usher? It's 10 minutes till showtime. Are you ready to be an usher? It's 10 minutes till showtime.
Looks like we're gonna have a full house for the show. Let's go backstage where the cast is rehearsing. Oh, here's the Maestro.
It's the first note. It's the first note. Ushers, we need your help. If there's take off, John the Maestro, send it back into the platform.
Wow, there's too many of them. It's Ghost Note madness.
These lights might be little, always goes nuts.
Oh no, they're still here, and it's almost showtime. Where's the Maestro? He's got all his music upstairs.
Help! Get these ghost notes out of here!
Uh-oh, they've escaped again! Send them back to the organ!
Thank you all. The ghost engines did return to where they belong.
You think you got away, but you'll be back! You'll be